Eric with Bertello here, and I want to show Mr. Wonderful this all-new, top-secret Bertello outdoor pizza oven.
Now, ever since I met Eric on the set of Shark Tank, I've been a huge fan of Bertello because I love pizzas. But one of the biggest challenges in cooking a pie is rotating it, because people just don't understand how fast they cook inside of Bertello. So you really got to get in the groove, turning that pie every 30 seconds, sometimes 20, sometimes 15 seconds, depending how hot it is. Problem solved, Eric. I noticed this thing rotating.
It does rotate.
So what's the deal?
Okay, so this rotates. We have a patent on the ability to use gas plus wood at the same time.
Which I do all the time, because that's to get that smoky flavor into the dough. Can you imagine what a hassle it is using wood to heat it up to 900 degrees? Total pain in the rear end. This thing heats up right away with the gas, and then you throw wood chips in to get that smoke action. It's fantastic. It's the combo, and now patented. Very cool.
And this gas burner goes below the stone. It heats up the stone evenly as it rotates to over 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Separately, there's a second gas burner you can control independently that shoots a flame across the top of the pizza oven and cooks the top of the pizza if you want to do gas only. If you want to do gas plus wood, turn this off, add the wood to the back, and you have the authentic wood-fired flavor, that smoky flavor that everybody's looking for.
You prepare your pies, you slide them in, a couple of minutes later they're ready, piping hot, boom, another one goes in, rotates, another one comes out. Perfect. From Bertello, something fantastic. What are you calling this puppy?
Bertello 16-inch.
I call it rotating 16-inch. There's nothing better than a rotating pie. Thanks, everybody. We'll be checking in soon. Watch for this product. It's going to be literally smoking hot.
All right. Thank you, man.
We have our patented Bertello SimulFIRE 16-inch rotating outdoor pizza oven. This oven features our exclusive flamethrower dual over-under burner system. The flamethrower consists of two separate independently controlled burners that heat the stone from below and cook the toppings from above. Only Bertello offers this flamethrower dual burner system. Our patented SimulFIRE technology allows you to cook with wood and gas at the same time. This gives you the convenience of gas to heat the oven to 900 degrees and the smoky flavor of wood. Other pizza ovens make you choose between cooking with either wood or gas, but only Bertello allows you to cook with both at the same time. To make it even easier to bake great pizzas, Bertello offers a rotating stone that ensures even cooking without the need to manually rotate the pizza. Simply plug the oven into an outlet or use batteries, then flip a switch to engage the turntable. The pizza oven also includes a Bluetooth thermometer with a smartphone app. Gas and wood are better together. It's the best of both worlds and available only with Bertello.